Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this time scroll effect in CapCut PC. Grab your black background and I'm just going to freeze frame it. And I'm just going to place it on the second layer, and you're also going to put your first, your main video here. I'm just going to choose this one. Then you're going to grab your text and you're just going to add in a few years. I'm just going to start from 2012, for instance, 2013, 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Can't believe it's already 2025. And I'm just going to change the font here. Let me see if I have, okay. I'm going to use Impact, but you can use any font that you'd like. I'm also just going to make the font size a little bit bigger, and I'm also going to change the ratio actually to 9:16. Actually, it doesn't have to be 9:16. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, I do know what I'm doing, but you're going to go to the actually, we are going to keyframe it. So we're going to go to transform and we're going to add a keyframe here. And we're going to start from the bottom and up. So do that. And then by the end, oh my gosh, I should probably make it so that it's not, okay. And then by the end, you're just going to want to pull it all the way up until you can't see it anymore, like this. If you want to make it faster, make the duration a little bit shorter, but I'm fine with this, so. And I'm just going to show the variable speed. And if you're just on your phone, you can just add the, okay, here it is. Go to the Y one, and then you're just going to add the ease in, I think it was. Ease in curve. Then I'm just going to hide it, and I'm just going to select both and create compound clip like that. And then I'm also going to mask it, so go to video, select mask and add mask, and I'm gonna just do a rectangle here. I'm just going to place it here. Obviously, you're going to make the animation way neater, and I'm just going to feather it out. I'm also going to go to basic, go to blend mode, and we're going to do brighten. And that's pretty much it, really. It's not as simple, but it's pretty simple for video editing. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!